Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Breakfast. This is what I'm having. How are you? Good night. I didn't get to bed until like 3 o'clock. Why? Because I just couldn't sleep. So I stayed up and talked to one of my good friends that I met here on YouTube. My Marissa. Hi Marissa. Hey JB. Jessica, hi honey. A couple days ago was my friend's Jessica's birthday, and then was it yesterday or the day before? It was her daughter's birthday. Where'd you feel her? Sorry, would you like the first bite? I just woke up. So tired. Very tired. But yet I'm not. Does that make sense? No. Okay. It's been hard for me to sleep this night. It's just so hard. So. Yeah. Bacon. Pictures. Drink in a moment. These peaches are good. I hate this. Oh, I hate how my body feels so stiff. Excuse me. Oh. Thank you for hanging out with me. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, huh? Oh shit. God bless America. Hold on. Okay, well. Hold on. Fuck. Sorry. Amen. Good morning. Amen, right? No, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, well, good morning to you. See y'all later.